Okay. Recording ah.
Super.
What about Chacham?
Dad! He finished over here.
Hey, flip over, like Kyle. Flip over. So
Pakita mo nga na kayong ganon. Paano yun? Kaya na ni Uto.
Kuya, look! Look, Kuya! Kuya, look!
Oh, yan, jump down sa pool, sa 6 feet, Kyle. You wanna jump? Come on, let's try.
Come back and
Yeah.
I can't.
I'll show it to you. Come on. Oh, go.
Why you carry me up, okay?
Yeah, I'll go.
Ay, si Chicham. Ay, teka muna. Wait up, Sammy. Halika, anak, dito. Sammy, halika. Eliza, mahuhulog ka dyan. Eliza, walk slowly. Kaya napunta. Yes, it does.
Go dive. Yes, you can do it. Remember? No.
Mama, we're having a fight. Mama, tell me how to do it.
Ede, turuan mo, nak.
Okay. Stand up. Oh, sige, man.
Sakit?
Man.
Yan ay, bilbil.
Oh. Daddy, did you want breakfast?
Ay, binubusit niyo naman si Mimay. Oy!
Ayan, kain mo ng tubig. Eliza. Si Kyle yun, not me.
Kuya Kyle.
No, it's not.
Sige,
I'm
anak.
sorry.
Oh. Oh.
Move, please.
Can I go there again?
Tatlong minuto na to.
Ha?
3 minuto na to.
You know what? Kyle said,
Oh, sumbong.
he's gonna break our dollies and also Barbies and Cinderella.
No, Kuya can do that. Oh, ano ba? Diyos me. Ang bingi kong anak. Ano ba?
I'll fix it. Come on.
Daddy ka buset. Sige na.
Sorry, okay, what do you want?
Pariwan ba, anak?
What you gonna say?
Opo. Oh.
Kuya mo!
Don't touch
Mama,
it.
kuya mo!
Ah.
My daddy pulled my pants up and we will break
Yoy.
his feet. My daddy
Ay.
break
We gonna okay.
Mabwisit lang kung ano yung pinagsasabi.
Kuya Sweet.
Ay, Kyle!
Yeah, one more time.
Ay, Diyos me.
Hi, there, man. Your butt. Your butt.
Daddy.
Home, guys.
Hi, oh. Wait.
Okay, let's go.
Jump.
Okay, let's go.
I want to stay here.
Okay, you go.
I want to go home, Mama.
Okay.
You gotta go home now?
No!
May pizza na tayo. May pizza ako dun. Pizza.
I don't like it. I like to. I like pizza. Ooh, Mom, like this. Mom, I will show you.
Huh? Go.
How did you move it?
1 minute.
Oh, look.
Kyle, it's Christian.
Hey, Christian! Christian! What are you doing?
Anak mo ganun. Nawiwidyo ka.
This is crazy.
Ito.
Ayun. What do you like to do?
Ew, it's disgusting, boy!
Yeah. Kick. Very good. No, Kyle. Ayun na. Nagalit na naman si Mima yun. Oh. Ayun. What you gonna do to Kuya Sweet? Break. No. Don't do that.
Galit to.
Say sorry, Kyle. Or you're gonna break it, I'm telling you. She said that, you're gonna do it.
I'm gonna break you. Yeah!
How did you do that?
Look!
Unti-unti na.
Ready? See? Kyle! Wait, show me your behind. So ugly.
Tito Edwin!
Yep.
Kyle, swallow
Si Mai.
my face.
Kyle.
Eliza,
Para na.
Let's go.
Paano to? Stop na.